Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up a dual clock or more than two clocks on your home screen of your iPhone. So you can do this on lock screen, and this looks just like so. But if you want to set it up on home screen, all you have to do is unlock your phone, hold on your screen, then click the plus sign at the top, search for widgets like clock, and now you will be able to choose a lot of options. So for example, you can add a world clock and you will see all of these options. But what you can do is click on any of those and choose a different location, just like so. And then here it is how it looks like. Now, what you can also do is go ahead and add another clock. Let's search for it. And you can actually just add a city digital, for example, and now you can choose a location. So let's choose Denmark. And now you will have a Denmark, and the same goes if you want to add another one location. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.